Hello and good morning to my first graders. Today we're going to start a whole new lesson on opposites. So what exactly is opposites? Opposites are things that are different, just like in this picture. There is a dog and there's a cat. They are different. They are not the same, and we all know this. Cats are quiet while dogs are playful. Dogs go to the bathroom outside while cats go inside. There's a bunch of different opposites. Opposite or different is opposite than the same. So what is the same? Well, look at these two dogs, for example. They look very similar. They are probably alike objects. The goal here in this lesson is to be able to find the difference between different objects and pictures. It will help you learn to define pictures and increase your vocabulary as you learn what difference means and what the same means throughout looking at these pictures and being able to define whether it's opposite or not. Students should feel excited because they will learn how fun opposites are. It is so easy to figure out, and it's such simple that you shouldn't have to be worried about this lesson at all. Today we're going to start off with a video on YouTube. It's called The Opposite Song. I believe that this is a great tool for you guys to learn common things that are opposites. So, here we go.
Healthy music for a child's heart, body, and mind. Opposite Song from Preschool Learning Fun by The Learning Station. Opposites, oh opposites, like different is to same. Opposites, oh opposites, let's play this little game. The opposite of boy is
girl.
the opposite of day is
Night.
the opposite of full is
Empty.
the opposite of big is
Small.
opposites, oh opposites, like different is to same. Opposites, oh opposites, let's play this little game. The opposite of soft is
Hard.
the opposite of hot is
Cold.
the opposite of happy is
Sad.
the opposite of slow is
Fast.
opposites, oh opposites, like different is to same. Opposites, oh opposites, let's play this little game. The opposite of in is
Out.
the opposite of up is
Down.
the opposite of long is
Short.
the opposite of open is
Closed.
opposites, oh opposites, like different is to same. Opposites, oh opposites, let's play this little game. The opposite of over is
Under.
the opposite of wet is
Dry.
the opposite of high is
Low.
the opposite of left is
Right.
opposites, oh opposites, like different is to same. Opposites, oh opposites, let's play this little game.
All right.
You can get Opposite Song
Let me pause this. So, opposites are fun in general because they will increase your vocabulary, as I said earlier. As you know different words like tall and short, left and right, different things like that. So this whole lesson will not only help you determine what are opposites, but what these words are and what they mean that are the opposite of each other. Tomorrow we will learn about opposites in a PowerPoint using our classroom theme animals. I will see you tomorrow.